You find yourself under the stars. The ceiling above you is the universe itself, galaxies spinning, stars glowing, and an endless space stretching beyond imagination. You stand in silence, breath caught in your chest. The vastness of it all humbles you, and yet you feel a part of it. And now you recall moments of awe from your own life. The first time you stood before an ocean. The quiet hush of a snowy forest. The feeling of being small yet infinite and connected to everything. Awe is the bridge between the known and the infinite. It is the moment when thought dissolves and only presence remains. Now imagine breathing in this vastness and feel your chest expand as if your heart itself is opening to the stars. As you do that, a lightness fills you, as if gravity itself has softened. Your mind quiets, not empty, but wide open. Your mind is recording this experience, making it effortless to return to a state of awe.